Hello everyone, we are reading chapter 5, that is subtraction up to 20, and in the last class we have learned how to find answer by crossing out of the given object, how to subtract by cross out. Okay, and today we will learn the ways of subtraction. Means there are two ways in which we can subtract. So now first one is counting forward to subtract, and the second one is counting backward to subtract. So counting forward means we have to jump next, and counting backward means we have to jump backward, means back side. Okay, so let's see one example how to get the answer when we are counting forward and how in backward. So let's see. Suppose there are 5 birds are sitting. How many birds are sitting? 5 birds. And 2 birds fly away. There are 5 birds sitting on a branch and 2 birds fly away. Now we have to find out this answer by counting forward. Okay, so how to count forward? From where to start? So we will start with the smaller number. This is 5 and this is 2. So which one is the smaller number? 2. So 2 and reach up to 5. 3, 4, 5. Got it? Now we have to jump. 1, 2, 3. So how many steps we jump? 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. Means when we are counting forward, we will start from the smaller number. Okay, and we have to reach to the bigger number, whatever given in the question. Then we have to jump up to that number. Suppose I started from 2 because 2 is the smaller number, and I have to reach on which number? Up to 5. So how many steps I have to jump? 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. Clear? Now again, 8 chocolates and I ate 4 chocolates. So how many chocolate I ate? 4 chocolates. So total number of chocolate I have 8, and I ate how many? 4 chocolates. So we have to start from the smaller number, that is 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and you have to jump. We have to jump up to 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. And put the arrow here because we are jumping forward. Got it, children? We have to jump forward, and keep it in mind, we have to start from the smaller number in the question. This is the smaller, yes or no? And we have to reach up to 8 by jumping forward. Don't jump this way. We have to jump in the right side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Okay. And now see here, counting backward to jump. Suppose let's see this question only, how we can jump when we are counting backward. So let's do it. So 5 birds are there and 2 birds fly away. Here we will do backward counting. Okay, start with the bigger number, that is 5, 4, 3 and what is this? This is 2. So we have to reach on 2. Now we are doing what? Backward counting. So 1, 2, 3. How many steps? Yes, 3 steps. Keep it in mind, when we are doing backward step, we will start from the bigger number and we will start jumping back, means we are jumping left side. Okay, yes, so this is right and this is left. Clear, children? So we will start from 5 and we have to reach on 2, means from bigger to smaller. Clear? Now here 8 minus 3. So we will start from 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 and we have to reach here. So let's start. How many steps we need to come here? So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how many steps? 5. So the answer is 5. Clear, children? So when we are doing backward counting, we will start from bigger number, that is 8 in our question, and we have to reach on 3. So how many steps we need to jump? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the answer is 5. Clear? Okay. 7 minus 5. So we are doing forward jump, counting forward. So we will start with smaller number. So 7 and 5. So 5 is the smaller. 5, 6 and 7. And we have to jump to reach here. So 1, 2. So what is the answer? What is the answer? What is the answer? Yes. The answer is 1, 2, 1 and 2. So how many steps? 2. Got it, children? The answer is 2 steps. 1, 2. Clear? Now again here. So we will start from 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And start jumping from 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many steps? How many steps? Yes, 5 steps. So the answer is 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay. And here we have to start with what? Bigger number. So 4, 3 and 2. We have to reach on 2. So how many steps we need to jump? So 1, 2. So the answer is 2. Clear? So we will start from bigger number and we have to reach on smaller number. Now here we will start from 9. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. We have to reach on 5. So how many steps we need to jump? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. Clear? When we are doing backward jumping, we will start from bigger number. And when we are doing forward jumping, we will start from smaller number. Clear? Exercise 5B, question number 1. Count forward to subtract. So just now we learned how to subtract by counting forward. So 7 minus 2. So we will start with the smaller number. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Because the last number is 7. Now you start jumping to reach 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. So the answer is 5. How many steps we are jumping? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Because we have to reach on 7. So to reach on 7, we have to jump how many steps? 5 steps. So the answer is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. Clear? Now 5 minus 2. So start with 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to reach here. We have to start from 2 and we have to reach up to 5. So start jumping forward that way. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So how many steps? 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. Got it, children? And I am putting arrow here. Why? Because we are jumping where? Forward jumping. Yes or no? Now 6 minus 4. So we will start from smaller number, that is 4, 5, 6. And we have to reach where? On 6. So start 1, 2. So how many steps? 1, 2. So the answer is 2. Clear. Got it? How to jump forward? So let's do question number 2 also. Question number 2. Count backward to subtract. Now we have to jump where? Backward. Got it? We have to jump where? Backward. Okay. So we will start from which number? Bigger number. So 7, 6, 5, 4. 7, 6, 5, 4. Now I wrote up to here 4. We have to reach on 4. So 1, 2, 3. How many steps? 1, 2, 3. So that is the answer is 3. And we are jumping backward. Clear, children? Where? Backward. Now, here start with bigger number. 9, 8 and 7. We have to reach here from 9. So, 1, 2. The answer is 2. Clear? How many steps? 1, 2. So, the answer is 2. Got it? Now, here we have to start from 5 and we have to reach on 4. So, how many steps we have to jump? 1. How many steps? 1. So, 5 minus 4 is 1. Got it, children? So, this is the way to count forward to subtract, and this is backward. Forward means where? Forward means what? This way. Yes or no? And backward means this way. So, we have to jump forward and backward to subtract. Clear? So, I hope you understand. So, practice it everyone. Okay? Thank you everyone.